In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to download ESRI land use land cover from 2017 to 2023. So open your browser, open a new tab, then type ESRI 10-meter land use land cover download. Click enter. So when you enter this first page, ArcGIS Online, click on it. It will open a new page. Then when you open, you can see Sentinel-2 10-meter land use land cover time series downloader. So you can click on view to view the map, or you can come to this link, new version of this item. Click on that. It will open the map for you to download. So you can see here 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020 up to 2023. So when the map load, it is gridded into different grids or tiles. So if you want to download for the whole world, it's about 60 gig. So you can click on area of your interest. When you click on it, it will load. Then you can download for year of your choice, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2021 up to 2023. So you can see the size. Let's download for 2023. Click on it. Then click on start download. So the download is on, and the speed depends on the strength of your network. So in few minutes or few seconds, it should be done. Yes, the download is complete. So if you want to download for more years, you can download for any year of your choice from 2017 to 2023. Now let's go to our file. So come under download. This is the file we downloaded. Now open ArcMap and load in the data. Click on add data. Let's navigate to download. So this is it. Click on it and click add. So this is the land use land cover for the area we downloaded. Now let me bring in the shapefile to cut my study area. Let me bring in the shapefile of Nigerian states. Click add. Yes, this is it. Let me change the symbology. Click on this and make it hollow. I can increase the width and click on OK. Yes, I can equally label it to know which one I want to use. Then zoom in. So in this exercise, let's use Abuja for a case study. So to extract Abuja land use land cover, click on the selection tool. Click on Abuja. It has been selected. Then come here, right click, go to data, click export data. Then navigate to your folder. Let's save it as Abuja. Okay, click yes. So now right click, you can now remove this. Then let's make this Abuja hollow. Click OK. Yes, this is the Abuja area of our interest that you want to extract. Then click on Arc Toolbox, come to Spatial Analyst tool, come to Extraction. click on extract by mask. Then our input raster will be the land use land cover, and our feature mask will be Abuja. Let's navigate to our folder and call it Abuja underscore LULC.tif. Click on save. Click OK. So the extraction is going on. In few seconds, our study area will be extracted. So yes, it's done. So I can now close this. I can remove or close this. Then I can right click Abuja and zoom to layer. So this is our Abuja land use land cover. If I right click and open the properties, come to source, so you can see the cell size is 10 meter. So you can see it. Let's close this. Similarly, if I right click this layer and come to properties again, this time around let's go to symbology. You can see the values. Take note of these values. So close this. Then if I open my ESRI land use land cover class definition, 1 stand for water, 2 stand for trees, 3 stand for grass, and 4 stand for flooded vegetation, and so on. So let's minimize this. So if I right click this Abuja LUC and open the attribute table, so click on table option, click on add field. Then let's call this field class. Let's change the type to text, and let's leave the length at 20. Click OK. Then I'll come to that layer again, right click and go to edit feature, start editing. Click continue. So if I come back here, 1 stand for, let's go back there, 1 stand for water or water bodies. So in this place I would enter water bodies. So number 2 stand for trees. So I'll type here trees. Also number 5 stand for crops or agricultural area. So here I'll type crops. Number 7, let's check again. Number 7 stand for built up or built up areas. So here I'll type built up areas. Yes, then I can now close this. Then I'll save edit, then stop editing. Yes, I can now click on this layer and go to properties. Then come here, instead of value, let's change it to the class we have just created. Then click on OK. So you can see it, the classes here, the land use land cover classes. So let's take it to layout and produce our final map. So let's change the orientation, click file, come to page and print setup. So let's change it to landscape. Click OK. Then let's change the templates. Click here. Let's use landscape templates and click finish. So you can see it. Then I can now move this legend to the right hand side. Then I can rename this heading of this layer. Let's call it Abuja 2023 LULC. Yes, right click the legend, come to properties. So this very particular layer, right click and come to the properties. Then I don't want to show the headings, uncheck it, click OK. Then select all, make it bold. Let's change the font to 12 and click OK. So you can see it. Then you can add other elements you want to add to your map. Any other things you want to add, either logo or whatever. Then let's export it. Click File, come to Export Map. So let's name it Abuja 2023 LULC. Check your format and click on Save. So the export is done. So we can now verify by coming to that folder. So here is it. Then let's open it to see what we have done. You can see this is how to produce land use land cover by downloading it from ESRI. So this is how to download ESRI LUC data for free from 2017 to 2023. Thank you for watching.